Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. So, you want to create your own webtoon but don't know where to start with character design? You've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down my entire process from a simple idea to a fully colored character, step by step. And I'll even show you the final design of my new Introvert Girl character. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and find your theme. First things first, you need to get inspired. Head to Webtoon or any webcomic platform and check out the most popular series. Ask yourself, why are they successful? Don't just read, analyze. Look at their characters, their body language, their faces, their hidden secrets, their strengths and weaknesses. How does their design reflect their role in the story? Then, the most important question. What kind of story do you want to create? Is it a gamer story, a psychological thriller, a drama, office romance, or maybe a slice of life? In my case, I selected a slice of life theme. Now it's your turn. Once you've picked your genre, go back and find comics in that same category. Bookmark them, save character images for reference, and build a mood board. This is your foundation. Step 2. Create a character profile and sketch. Now that you have your theme, it's time to build your character. Take a notebook and write down everything about them. How do they look? What's their clothing style? What accessories do they carry? This isn't just about looks, it's about personality. For me, I designed an introvert girl who's always in a hoodie and likes to stay home. She's quiet, has maybe 2 or 3 friends, and is a bit of an overthinker. Next, the fun part, visual inspiration. I opened Pinterest and searched for anime introvert girl and saved a bunch of faces and styles that matched my vibe. Then I didn't just copy. I took that inspiration and drew in my own style, first in my notebook, and then I moved to Clip Studio Paint for the clean line art. And just like that, the first step, the line art is complete. Now it's your turn to do the same. Step 3. Coloring and color psychology. Now, let's bring her to life with color. This is where color psychology plays a huge role in storytelling. Colors tell us how a character feels without them saying a word. White hoodie, calm, pure, independent. Ponytail, practical but can be cute. Expressive eyes, windows to her inner world. For my introvert girl, I chose a white hoodie. White represents calmness, purity, and a sense of being unbothered. It fits her self-dependent and shy nature. She's emotional, self-conscious, and sometimes a little delusional, but she's also a never-give-up kind of person. I gave her a simple ponytail and, most importantly, very expressive eyes. Because she's an introvert, her eyes say everything she can't bring herself to speak. And here she is, my complete introvert girl character. I want you to tell me in the comments section right now, how does she look? Do you get that shy, overthinking vibe? And if you have any tips for me, please share them. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now it's your turn. Follow these steps and start creating. If you want a part 2 where I go deeper into designing different angles, poses, and maybe even her friends or love interest, let me know. Comment part 2 down below and I will definitely make it for you guys. And a quick bonus for you amazing people who stayed until the very end. Here are some bonus designs of my character. Different angles, different poses, everything you need to draw her consistently in a webtoon. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!